a brand new place and let's check it out. What is it? And then we will see what we're gonna do inside.
So that's the entrance to the brand new place. Check this out. Looks cool. We will see. Quite impressive lobby.
Iya. Oke, kalau yang ini per couple-nya.
Packages. But the place is nice. Looks nice. So basically we choose 2 packages, like with the towel, drink, food. 150k per person, yeah?
Include food, drink, towel, and everything.
Okay. Alright, so we get inside and
So this 150k per pax includes everything.
it's just like $11, something like that. We will see how it looks the place because seems like it's impressive. We will see. Bamboo construction. Always like the bamboo constructions in Ubud especially. Some gazebos you can eat, chill, enjoy. Hello, how are you? It's the new place open in Ubud. Also open during the current situations, which is impressive. It's just next to the zoo, if somebody is interested. Of course, this is not any kind of paid endorsement, guys, please don't take it wrong. We paid as you saw. And that's how does it look. It looks quite impressive. Some kids, local people chilling around. It's like a jungle club little bit. Hello. Nice, not so bad. Oh, there's some small waterfall. I have a nice gardens. Swim? Okay. And down there they said as they have another pool where is Winnie actually is coming right now. We will see. The building construction looks quite impressive, and there is the canyon, and I don't know. Looks interesting. Hello, how are you? Oh, nice paintings. Interesting place. Interesting murals.
Alright, so this is a brand new place in Ubud and then it's becoming hype. As you see down there, already many people. So yeah, we decided to sit here because it's much cooler and then look at the mural art inside. So this is a part of Bali cultures. I think that this is Rawana and Rama and Sita. So nice.
Something like that. And check this out, it's actually busy down there. So many people mix between local and foreigners. I think we will Sayang swim in this pool, yeah? Because it's more cooler, like shady one. Upstairs is so hot. We're going to change, everything is cool, just this stairs. Oh my god, island of million of stairs. Also over here is the changing room with the lockers. Pretty decent for this sort of place.
Let's go.
It's so hot here upstairs, so we're gonna go down. Meanwhile, that's how looks the vibe. Think pretty not so bad at all. Yo, what's up? Yeah, cool vibe, always good. All good, my friend, yeah. When you're already chilling, that's very interesting place indeed. Ooh, ooh, rain. Not so bad. The water is even not so cold here than usual in Ubud. Honey, how do you feel?
So good.
Chilling?
Yes.
What is at the edge of the pool, honey, over here?
I think that's kind of a forest.
Forest?
I don't know.
We will see. Oh, oh, it's nice over here, honey.
Oh.
It's like a river, little bit dry. I mean, not so big, but nice river. And Sayang, some other people chilling. That's how does it look from this perspective. Pretty nice place. Sexy ladies. Honey, already feel the vibe, yeah? Not so bad. Really cool place. Like I said already, that's not any kind of paid endorsement, but New places in Bali, they are really cool. You have to agree with me. Alright, so this is our food. Nasi goreng, burger hookers, nasi goreng.
Alright, so I didn't eat nasi since the morning, so this is the time. Okay, this is our lunch, late lunch today.
And that's included, that's all included to the package what we pay, 150. Alright, we are after eating, swimming. I'm sorry for my hair.
Okay,
Swim a
so
lot.
now we will go to
New
one
place.
Another place also, because we need to repair Damian's bracelet.
Yeah.
So,
Remember my silver bracelet? I broke it, so I need to fix it. Maybe make one over one. We will show you one very nice place.
so we arrive in a place where Damian can fix his bracelet. So for this bracelet, and then maybe later on he will make another one.
And we will show you the place, how it looks inside.
Yeah. So we are in the silver.
Okay, so that's how it looks inside Balina's house, by the way. And this is the guy who make my legendary bracelet. How are you? Apa kabar? Baik-baik ya?
Baik-baik.
And this is some... Your mom?
Ya, Mom.
Okay, so that's your mom. Hello.
Daughter.
Daughter. Oh, very nice. Okay. So cute. Baby skirt.
7 months.
7 months. Oh, and also nice birdie. So this is the inside.
Yes, so this is the silver shop and the silver maker. He's the silver maker. So Damian usually go here just to make his silver
Because he's making.
bracelet, and then it's you know that highly recommended.
Highly recommend, and you make it by yourself, right?
Yeah,
This is like self-made. So many gears.
Nice.
I show you a little bit. Many things. But let's talk about my bracelet. Because it's broken.
Okay, so I just wanna have a little talk to the Bli Agus. His name is Bli Agus. So we usually go here whenever we want to make something like from silver, like bracelet or something. Just have a little talk. Bli, gimana sekarang? Ya, kita tahu ya pandemi saat ini, so this situation, how you survive?
Kalau untuk dibilang order itu memang
Shutdown ya.
ya.
Oke, kalau ekspornya biasanya ke negara mana aja? So where do they export normally?
Kalau
He has a let's say loyal customer from Australia. So whenever they come here, they always like make a design here. So because our patient, so they don't export anymore.
Yeah.
Long time ago that their partner from Australia like selling online. So they have a a shop or something online, but they normally taking the products from here. So he is like, this one is just like original Balinese handmade.
It's not like for the mass production. He's just making to order, right?
Yes,
Like my bracelet. Because my bracelet is custom.
Special order.
Okay.
He won the prize. He won the prize for this kind of plants. It's called bonsai. I know that many Indonesians really like this kind of plant.
Oh, it's like a bonsai tree.
Yeah, like make it short. So
I just
he
see.
won the prize, and this one.
Oh yeah, for the competition, right?
Competition. Nice.
That's so cool.
it's good. The red one is very good.
Oh.
Di depan.
Oh, yang di depan juga.
Oh, this one. Very nice.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so like I told you, he's the Balinese who is making the silver and everything. So this is the workshop place. As you see, he got many awards. So nice.
So basically you have two options in Bali to make a silver. Come to the boy like him, for example, or go to the huge shop. But I prefer definitely him. This is good boy, he's make my bracelet. Check this out, the tools. Oh, this is maybe bracelet what I wanna have. And it's about 51 grams.
51 grams.
And I wanna have this one, but about 100 grams, which is double size of this one. Also very nice classic Vespa for Vespa lovers. We have many Vespa lovers.
So this one still the traditional way that he is making the silver. Yeah, so still pressure. Ah, okay.
Oh,
Nice. That's
and this
the
is-
new one.
oh, nice. So we still talking about silver, and Sayang have the idea. What did you say before?
Look, maybe you can buy like this kind of ring. Look like the ring that always wear by pecalang, you know?
Yeah.
Pecalang ring.
It's a good idea, not so bad. This tree, as you see, 2nd May 2021, is beautiful tree. Could you imagine this is 40 million rupiah for this tree?
He got the best.
Oh, the winner in the Buleleng. Check this out with the dolphin.
Oh, so before Korean, somebody from Singaraja already offer asking for this one for 55 million. Jeez, this kind of plant, 55 million, it's more expensive than your gym.
That's true. 40, 55 for this tree.
Now pandemic I sell 40.
Okay, now 40. Discount 40 million.
15 million. Kalau kompetisi kan pakai ini.
And you gonna get this table for free.
Free.
That's crazy.
Meja ini, Bu. Ada nih, Bu. Nah, ini, Bu. Oh,
Look.
because
This is how you
this is the big one.
show, you know?
That's
Yes.
unbelievable.
Oh my goodness.
At least
45 million.
this is really something interesting and something new. To be honest, I never heard about that in here. So this is like a tree who is making money, lah.
Yes.
The real tree making money.
Yeah, the real tree that can make money.
This is better than the black. You know that?
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching. As usual, see you tomorrow.
See ya, bye.